In the following AP, find the missing term in the boxes. The first one is 2 box 26. In this kind of sums, we have to understand the relation between which term is given. Here the first term is given and third term is given. So let AP be A plus D, A plus 2D. Is it? So what is given to us first? 26 is the third term. What is the third term in this? A plus 2D. So A plus 2D is equal to 20, is equal to 26. Is it? What is the value of A? That is also given 2. So substitute that. A plus 2D is equal to 26. 2 will go on that side. Implies 2D is equal to 26 minus 2. Implies 2D is equal to 24. Implies D is equal to, the relation between D and 2 is multiplication, so it will be divided. So is equal to, D is equal to 12. So you got the value of D. Once you get the value of D, you have to find the second term. What is the second term here? A plus D. So your second term is A plus D. A is what? 2 and D is 12. So your second term is 14. Got it? Now let's box 13, box 3. Let AP be A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D be the first 4 term of AP. What is given us? The 4th term is 3. Implies A plus 3D is equal to 3. Is it? Can you split this and bring the second term? Yes, we can do it if we write it in the form of A plus D plus 2D. A plus D is what? A plus D is 13. So substitute the value. A plus D as 13 plus 2D is equal to 3. Plus 13 will go on other side. It will be minus. So 3 minus 13 is minus 10. Since the greater number is 13, the sign is minus. Therefore minus 10. Now what is the relation of 2 and D? Multiplication. So it will be in division. So D will be equal to minus 10 by 2. So D is equal to minus 5. Now we have to find A. So let's take this equation. A plus 3D is equal to 3. Substitute the value of D as minus 3. So 3 into 3, 9, minus into plus minus. So it is minus 3. This minus 3 will go on other side. That A will be written as 3 plus 9. 3 plus 9 is what? 12. So A is equal to 12. So what is your first term? First term is A, which is 12. Now what do you have to find? You have to find the third term. What is the third term? Third term, 1, 2, 3. A plus 2D. What is A? 12. What is the value of D? Minus 3. Sorry, minus 5. Is it? So 12. 5 to is a 10. Minus 10. So 12 minus 10. 12 minus 10. 2. So your third term is 2. Is it? Let's move on to third question. 5 box 9.5. So same, let the first, can say the first 4 term of AP be A plus D, A plus 2D and A plus 3D. What is given? 9.5. What is this? 4th term. Implies A plus 3D is equal to 9.5. Now which term is given? A first. So A is what? 5. So 5 plus 3D is equal to 9.5. Implies 3D is equal to. Now 5 will go on that side. So 9.5 minus 5. Is it? Plus, if it goes on other side, it becomes minus. So what will be there? Plus minus minus. 9.5 minus 5. Or we can say that it is 9 minus 5. 9 minus 5 is 4. So it will be 4.5. Greater number is 9.5. Sign is plus, so it will be plus 4.5. Now what is the relation of 3 and D? Multiplication. So 3 will be goes in division. So it will be divided. So what will be the value of D? D will be equal to 1.5. Is it? We got the value of A. We don't know the D. So we can find the second term. What is the second term? A plus D. It is A plus D. A is what? 5. What do you got? D? 1.5. If we add it, what we get? 6.5. So our second term is 6.5. What will be the third term? Third term is what? A plus 2D. A is what? 5. 2. What is the value of D? 1.5. Multiply that. 1.5 into 2, that is 3. So 5 plus 3, 8. So our third term is 8. Okay. Let's move on to fourth question. Minus 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 6. So how many terms are given? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Is it? They gave us the sixth term and the first term. We have to find it. Second, third, fourth, and fifth term. How will do it? First, we have to develop the relation between the first term and the sixth term. So what we will write? Let the first 6 term of AP be A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D, A plus 4D. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. One more. 6th term. A plus 5D. So what is our 6th term? A plus 5D, which is equal to what? 6. So A plus 5D is equal to 6. Is it? What is the first term? A given as minus 4. So minus 4 plus 5D is equal to 6. Okay. So 5D is equal to. Minus will go on that side. It will be plus. So 6 plus 4 implies 5D is equal to 10. What is the relation of D and 5? Multiplication. So it will be divided. So D by 5. So D will be equal to 2. Isn't it? Now we got A. We got D. You can find any of this. So let's find the second term. Term is what? A plus D. So A plus D. So what is the second term? What is the value of A? Minus 4. What is D? 2. So plus minus minus. So 2. Which number is a greater? 4. What is the sign of it? Minus. So it will become minus 2. I hope you can find all these things. Isn't it? Okay. Let's move on to fifth question. 5. First term is not given. Second term is given. 38. third is not given, fourth is not given, fifth is not given, and sixth term is minus 22. So let the first sixth term of AP be a plus d, a plus 2d, a plus 3d, a plus 4d, a plus 5d. Is it? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What is the sixth term here? A plus 5d, which is equal to what? Minus 22. So implies is a plus 5d is equal to minus 22. Now what is given to us? The second term is 38. So how we can break this and write in the form of a plus 2d, a plus d. Second term is what? A plus d. So we have to write this in the form of a plus d. How we can write it? A plus d plus 4d is equal to minus 22. What is a plus d? A plus d is 38. Implies is 38 plus 4d is equal to minus 22. This 38 a plus, if it goes on other side, it will be minus. So 4d is equal to minus 22 minus 38. Implies is 4d is equal to, add 8 plus 2, 10, 0. Carry 1, 3 plus 1, 4, 4 plus 2, 6. Minus minus, the figure will be added but sign will be minus. Is it? Now what will be relation of d and 4? Multiplication. So 4 will go in division. So 60 by 4. So what is the value of d? Khushi? Yes, minus 15. Is it? So you got the value of d. Now you have to find out the value of a. Is it? So use this equation, or you can use the second term also. What was the second term? A plus d is equal to 38. Is it? D is what? Minus 15. So minus 15 is equal to 38. Minus 15 will go on other side. It will be plus. So it will be 38 plus 15. So what is that? A is equal to 8 plus 5, 13. 3, carry 1. 2. 2 plus 3, 5. So 53. Is it? So A is equal to 53. So now you got A, you got D. Can you find the term? Yes. A is 53. So first term you already got. First term A is equal to 53. Is it? Second term. What is the second term? A plus D. So your second term A plus D. What is A? Second term is A plus D. What is A? 53. What is D? Minus 15. Is it? So do it here. 53 minus 15. So what will become? 13. So 5 plus 3, 8. 8. Here it will become 4. 4 minus 1, 3. So 38. Which number is a greater? 53. What is the sign of it? Plus. So it will be plus 38. Is it? Let's find the fifth term. What is our fifth term? A plus 5d. A plus 5d. Is it? What is A? 53. 5. What is D? Minus 15. So 15 5s are 75. Is it? Minus 75. Plus minus minus. So 75 minus 53. Here it is 2. Is it? Then 2. Which number is a greater? 75. What is the sign of it? 75 minus. So your answer will be minus 22. Is it?